Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Karan again and my apologies अगर मैं बहुत टाइम बाद एक वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ. It's basically I didn't get time and due to COVID restrictions इतना ज़्यादा टाइम और opportunity नहीं मिला डालने के लिए. In fact मैं दिवाली के बाद आज एक वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ and I just want to thank my subscribers. ज़्यादा नहीं है, 300 प्लस ही है, but I still thank. I'm happy about it. I feel motivated that I have those many people, genuine people, who are actually supporting me. So thank you very much for all of you, and thank you very much for taking your time and watching my videos. So this video is about taking my channel to the next level, to actually make it count. And I'll not be a person who will be just taking out his camera, recording anything and posting it. So I'm really taking my channel seriously. मैं बहुत seriously ले रहा हूँ. I'm investing money. मैं अपना time invest कर रहा हूँ उसमें, and I just need your blessings and I hope it will work out. So the first step to take my channel ahead was कि मेरा जो video का quality था, it was very shaky, pixelate था, and मेरे को बहुत comments आए थे कि that you can do better. So a very huge amount of my money is invested in a camera. Currently I recorded this video is recorded by my phone. It's a OnePlus and I think it does a pretty decent job, but as I said, I want to move to the next level and provide good content and a good quality video which is more audible and it gives you real image. So I want to introduce to my first investment to this channel, which is my action camera. This is a DJI Action 2. This camera costed me for around 40,000 rupees. I could not find this in the store, so I had to buy it from Amazon. So I'll be unboxing this camera today, right now in fact. And I bought this on weekend, so मैंने अभी एक हफ्ते से खोला नहीं है इसको. So this video is for Amazon also if it's faulty. So if you can see, it's all sealed up. Okay, the seal is right here. So let's unbox it. We will unbox this. I have bought few accessories. I will show you, and yeah, please tell me. I will even compare the video quality right now on my phone and this video quality. So I'm really excited to open this. So let's see. So here we have the DJI Action 2. It's an action camera and it's the dual screen. So we have in fact on Amazon you have two choices. Either you can buy just this, which has a screen behind it, so it's the camera with the screen, or you can buy it with the combo, which comes with an additional screen which is mounted to the camera like a magnet. So okay, so if you see, this is for Amazon also. This is all sealed up. So I'm opening it right now from here. Okay, open that up. Ouch. Okay. So yeah. So now just going to keep this aside and just try to slide it open. Okay, so just have to put this right up, right? Okay. Nice. Okay, here we go. So here we are. So this is the action camera. This is actually the action camera right here, and it's packed very neatly. There we go. If you see that right here, that's the camera. This is the lens and this is the screen behind it. We'll peel it later. And this right here is the combo. So here is the screen, and I guess this is the battery for it. So I'll just open it. Here we go. You can see that. Keep this aside. So first this, if you can see it. always love doing that, taking out the sticker. So this is the screen, it's just the screen right now. So we have to attach it to this. So this is our camera. If you see, these are the magnets, so it's really ready. Okay, if you see, that's the combo right here. So yeah, this is the camera right here, and this is removing of the lens. Oh my god, this is always great to do something like that. So this is what a 40,000 rupees action camera looks like, and this is the back screen cover. Oh, love doing that. So this is the power button, we push that on. If you see, I am not sure if you can see, but there is a tiny green light, and here you see the camera is on. Something in Chinese. Oh, okay. If you can see the camera right here. So the screen is great. Nice. And even you can see it from behind. So if you're taking a selfie, is great. If you're taking a front video, is great, because you have two screens. Now if you see, there is one screen here for which is actually on the camera, जो camera पे लगा हुआ है, and this what the combo does, which is right here. The box. Let's see what is in the box. These are some reading instructions right here. Paper. Okay. Something here. Comes with some attachments. Oh, nice. It has a mount. So any people who are thinking, does this have a mount? It does have a mount right here. So you can catch it like this. I think it goes, oops, okay. So this is also magnetic. If you see, it just snapped on it. Okay, and this is how you remove it. So like this. And you can just put in your tripod here, and you have a camera. Okay, nice. So I guess this is how they take it out. You just need to press this clip right here and it comes out. Okay, so good learning for me. So the camera is still working. If you see, there is another attachment here. Looks nice, nice quality. Okay, it's another piece of attachment. I don't know what you do with it. I guess ये tripod पे जाता है, or it might go like this, like that. See, like this, and you can just put it like a stand. It goes like a stand, so I'm not sure. Yeah, it goes like this, like a stand. So it's cool. And you just press this again, these clips, and you take it out. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So we have a power cable. We have some silica. And okay, this is something cool. This is what I think is the most cool part of this camera. It's the accessory. Seeing this? This was the thing that I was most excited about in the camera. It's a kind of a necklace where you attach the camera here, the lens here, and you can wear it on your t-shirt. So okay, this is magnetic, if you see, and it's pretty strong. Not exactly, because it's coming off, but yes. Okay, and the camera angle is correct, so you can put it like right here, like this, on your t-shirt, and you can take a video on the go. So this is really cool. This is the most exciting thing, and I guess this is the most best idea for an action camera. So here you go, and let's see what else is there in the box. So this is really cool. Can this get attached to it? I will not recommend to attach the combo on this because it's very loose. It's बहुत ढीला है. I guess it will fall off. So it's recommended to only and only attach the lens. And let's see what else we have. Okay. Okay, there is another mount. Cool accessories. Alright, so we have another mount here. I guess even this is magnetic. Let's see. Okay. Alright, see this? This can be attached to your helmet or on your bike, something like that. There you go. See that right there? You can see the camera is still on, the lens is still on. So I'll just switch off the camera. I guess this is ऐसा switch off होता है. Switch off हो गया. Cool. So again, clip it off. Okay, come out. And is this adjustable? See, this is adjustable also. The neck. So this is really cool. See here. So along with this, I guess this is it. और कुछ है नहीं box के अंदर. It's empty. So I'll just keep this aside. Throw it away. Keep this. Some reading instructions, some stickers, manual. To expand the memory more, I have bought an additional memory card, SanDisk, and this is a 256 GB memory card, which costed me around 2,500 from Amazon, and this I will actually take it with me because I cannot carry a laptop or a tablet during my trip because I'm not sure. It may get damaged, water damage हो सकता है, or it can happen, anything can happen. So this is an additional memory card that I'm taking for this camera, and it's recommended because 126 GB if you're a regular vlogger और आप 5 days या 4 days के trip पे जा रहे हैं and you're not carrying a laptop or anything where you can transfer data, तो it's best कि आप एक additional memory card ले लो. So this is, yeah, if you see, this is the additional memory card, and some really cool, a little more up, some really cool accessories that I found from Amazon. We'll open this also. Here we go. Side. Alright, what do we have here? This is a belt. This is a kit, जो action camera kit होता है, ये मैंने खरीदा था for my vlog. So it has around 40 small pieces. तो ये एक belt है. If you see here, seeing this, you can attach this right here. I told you, right? This is for your helmet or anything that you can strap to your bike. So here you go. So we have one accessory which fits this accessory. So one like this. Okay. This is, wow. What is this? That's big. Where do you wear it? Hey, is this the underwear? No, it's something you wear on your vest. Okay, छाती पे लगाने वाला है. I thought it's an underwear. Look like that. It looks like a G-string. Okay, my bad. But yeah, this is something that you put it on your chest and then you slide the camera right here. I'll try this. Definitely, I'll try this. Okay, so we have a small little tripod or a selfie stick. This is cool. Nice. Oh, it extends. More like a selfie stick, a whipping selfie stick. Yeah. Nice. Work. So this is this is the underwater selfie cam joys, what do you call that, tripod I guess. So ये मतलब डूबता नहीं है, तो when you're going underwater, taking your action camera underwater, you can just mount your camera here and you can just go inside. It comes with a hand bar also, sorry, a hand string, which you just put it right here and you attach it to this. Cool. So I'm not sure कितने हुए total में. I'm not interested in counting also. आधे से ज़्यादा मेरे को useless लगे. But this is important. This chest band was important, which I was calling it a G string. This one is important. I guess this goes on your helmet. If you see it, it goes on your head or a helmet. Put your head here. I found this interesting. जो था. And what else? And I found the selfie stick. Interesting. Something that I can use. और बाकी सब टाइम पास है. So what I'll do now, I'll take a video from the action camera and please let me know that how is the quality. Right now my phone is recording under 4K, so I doubt it's 4K, it's 1080p. So let me know the audio, let me know how the video clarity is, and see you in a short break. So this is me on the action camera, and I just realized a really cool feature that I like to say. I had to download the app, and once I downloaded the app, I got it synced. ये चाइनीज़ में था, उसका लैंग्वेज चेंज करने में मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा, but I finally got it. And something that I like to show, that if you're using this right now, जो उसका combo है मैंने चार्जिंग पे लगाया because the battery drains out really fast. I was playing with it, but जो कैमरा है, the actual camera, जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट है, it has a good battery life, it seems. So it has a really cool feature. Now what you can do, you can sync it to your phone. Right now I'm talking here, but I'm looking that side is because I can see myself on my phone. So if you see this right here, oops, here you go. So it's on my phone. Isn't it cool? So if I'm not using the combo, I can just sync it on my phone. I can see how I'm looking, where I'm facing. So this is really cool. So I'm actually recording it. So please let me know how's the voice, how is the camera, how's the clarity, and I wish and I'm hoping that I'll be putting new content, better content now on my channel. And as I said, thank you to everyone who are actually watching my videos. I know I made really not that great videos, but I really tried hard, and my subscribers really motivated me to do more. I hope this takes me to the next level. Now if you see, this is all the accessories that came out from that bag, and this camera is super steady. If I shake it like this, so my video is not getting actually distorted. जैसे पहले मैं चलता था तो कैमरा अप एंड डाउन जंप होता था. So this is really cool. So guys, meet you soon, and I want you to be safe, your family to be safe, and COVID is gone. It's almost gone, but it's still there somewhere. So please be safe, and meet you in my